Hello everyone, I hope you have watched previous videos about fundamental analysis. Chapter 5 is more about theories and approaches. It will teach you what needs to be done before analyzing annual report, balance sheet and ratios, which is a bit advanced and this chapter is basic. There are chances you might have come across theories like SWOT analysis, top-down and bottom-up approach and few more, but this chapter will help you to analyze those with respect to fundamental positioning of the firm. If this theory gives you a green signal, then you can go for in-depth analysis of firm like annual report, balance sheet and ratios, which we will learn in chapter 6 and chapter 7.
Chapter 5 Fundamental Analysis 1 Video 1 Top Down and Bottom Up Approach. There are two approaches through which one can go for investment. First is top down approach and second is bottom up approach. Top down approach. As its name suggests, we will first study the aspects which are at the top or bigger aspects and move downside step by step. So there are three parts of top down approach. First is studying economy of the nation or economic analysis. Then moving on to industrial analysis and last company analysis. Don't forget, the sequence will remain same. Under economy of the nation, we will study macroeconomic factors such as GDP of the nation, rules and regulations, changes in policy, FDI, FII, political stability, growing sectors, inflation and few more. Why these factors are to be studied? Because one can know the favorable sector or industry that is growing and having special attention economically. For an example, there are certain favorable changes in rules and regulation for auto sector. Then definitely auto firm are going to get benefits. Might be in lowering the production cost or increasing the sales. Second example, suppose government has put some restrictions on import of tires. In such situation, those firm importing tires are going to pay more in case they are continuing import. That will eventually bring the manufacturing cost up. And because of competition in the sector, the firm importing the tire cannot increase the price. Hence, their profit margin will decrease. But what if they now go to domestic market for buying the tires? Therefore, local players are going to get benefit. Second is industrial analysis. We study performance of the industry or sector. Which are major players? Top market cap companies. Companies with USP. Having biggest market share. Growth of industry. Which are dominant players of the sector? What are factors that will shape the sector? Third is analyzing the company briefly as we know sector is growing. The ideology behind this approach is finding the industry which is growing and it's easy to find a company which will grow. Hence under top-down approach we will first study economy of the nation where government is deciding to contribute, particularly in a sector. Then comes industrial analysis and last is company analysis. Bottom-up approach. It focuses more on fundamentals of the company. The idea behind this approach is that individual stock in a sector may perform well regardless of poor performance by the industry or economic factors. Bottom-up approach will focus less on macroeconomic factors and industrial factors, but will study fundamentals very carefully. Under bottom-up approach, qualitative and quantitative analysis is done. In detail, management, market share, annual report, balance sheet, income statement, cash flow statement, then ratios like PE ratio, PB ratio, liquidity ratio, profitability ratios, valuation of stock and more data is studied. So guys, if you find this video informative, please do like, comment, share and follow Intellect Panthomath on Instagram and YouTube. Stay tuned for latest updates and more videos. Thank you.